Okay.
You are already safe. There's no problem now.
That bring our money.
And we went out somewhere when we came
Unless someone has
just started shouting, telling me things that I don't know.
Because now you are here to get the problem.
Yeah,
What are you going to do?
now it's, I will be able to go back home. I just want them to bring my passport, my papers, my documents. Yeah, I have documents in my bag.
It is where?
They took them.
It is, yeah, it is too.
I don't know where they are. They hidden them.
And your phones?
And my phone and my 2 cards, my FNB card and a Capital. And he's very loud. He's a liar. Like Peter started, everything was sour.
Did you know Peter before?
I knew him from South Africa. Yeah, he was working for me in South Africa. Yeah, and we decided, even the car that he was working on it, my car, I said, no, since we are going to Uganda and we might take 3 months, let's sell this car. When we come back, I'll buy another car. I sold that car. The money I used to book flights, everything, I applied for visa, I came here. We came together. Everything was fine. And I had to go back home. I don't remember the date, to go back home to sort something out, and I came back. Everything was fine. Things started being sour after me. Started complaining about the money that is being misused. Because he has my card. He's the one who withdraw because he knows the Ugandan shillings. Although I don't know Ugandan shillings. He's the one who withdraw all the time. The messages are on my phone for withdrawals. Yeah. Almost every day 2,000 rand was going out. Yeah. It was going out. It's fine, but I don't see what that is. I can't say it's the misuse of money. Me, I was not complaining at all. I just kept quiet, and I booked a flight for yesterday. And yesterday, he said to me, let's go out and buy you a cigarette. I went out and we left the boy here. Yeah. And when I came back, I went to my room, and I see my passport bag is not here and my laptop bag is not here. I went there, I started asking, Peter, where is my passport bag in the dining room? My passport bag and the laptop bag. He said, sit down, we need to talk. He took my phone. He said, show me how you open my phone. I did not have power, they were two, and this is their place. I had to open it. Yeah, he took my phone. He said, you are not going to live here without giving me my 100,000. You owe me. I've lost so many things in South Africa. I said, what do you own in South Africa? Have you ever bought anything in South Africa? I'm the one who brought you here with my money. I bought ticket for you. I bought new clothing for you, everything, even the bags that we carry, I'm the one who bought them for you. So now when you are telling me that we have lost things in South Africa, you are surprising me. Yeah, do you have a car that is registered under your name in South Africa? Like, he started being arrogant, you see. And yesterday he was very angry. And to the point that I saw that these guys, they are ready to fight. There was water on the stove boiling. I said, they are not going to beat me. I took that water, I put it in a container. Because I saw everything is sour. I said, Peter, let's talk. Because I wanted him to lose it somewhere, and I poured the water and he did not get hurt. He ducked, yeah. And he started beating me terribly. They tightened me. Yeah, like this. The boy was beating me with a wood. You see, that he was beating me. Yeah, my legs. He said, "It's how we torture people in Uganda." That's why. But I said, why didn't you tell me that you torture people in Uganda before I even come here? You were telling me that Uganda is a very good country. Go there, you will know Uganda is a natural country. And by the way, to be honest, I was enjoying all along. Things just started to happen 2 weeks ago. Everything started being sour. And I came here on the 28th of May. And then I was supposed to go back on the 30th of August. They gave me 3 months visa. And I decided to book a flight for yesterday. And he decided to cancel it. He called the guy of agent. He's in South Africa, but he's Ugandan. He called him, he said, cancel that ticket and give the money back. I need it. I want that money back.
Oh no.
Safe houses where I will go, where I will be tortured. They even take my nails out. Yeah.
Are you sure?
That's what he was telling me. I will go to a safe house, and he knows commissioner of soldiers in this country. His aunt was as an ambassador, and then if she knows this thing, I will just go to safe house and they will torture me. And the owner of the house called through video call. She said, can I talk to that dog? Calling me, dog. I said, hello.
The owner of the house called
The owner of the house called Peter. Called Peter. She said, can I talk to that dog? It was on loudspeaker. And I was talking to her. She said, if I was there, I was going to kill you, cut your balls, and throw you in a Nile River. And I said,
how did you get in touch with police?
I don't know anything about police. That's why I was shocked when these people came here. My brother, I think, is the one who called police from South Africa to send 100,000 that they want, so that I can, because yesterday I was supposed to leave, to go back to South Africa. I said, can you please send 100,000 rand to my account, and I will transfer it to this guy, and I go back home. Yeah. And I go back home. My brother refused. My brother said to him, if Amos owes you, go to police station with him.
They were coming.
Yeah.
Okay, so that they can get them. I think they are aware that police will get them.
My brother said to him, if Amos owes you that money you are talking about, I'm not going to pay that money. Go to police station with, take him to police station. He said, I'm not going to take him to police station. I'll call my people. I have people that I know, top people here. I even know the commissioner of soldiers. He stays here in Munyonyo. They can just come and take you to a safe house, and you will be tortured. They'll take your nails out, everything. He was even saying, I cannot leave him here. I must make sure that he get a car. The money that he want to buy a car here, and he's saying apparently he want to do.
But you can take police also.
But she has my daughter.
I'm just missing the face.
They were beating me with some wood here, but now I'm not. Even here, I had to put this cotton because I was bleeding. He started saying, your brother think he's smart motherfucker. You think he can track me? I'm not.
What they were saying?
He took my phone, he switched off the location.
Okay.
You are really safe. There's no problem now.
Amanya sozi Muhammadu. Defense one is Salama Badongo zone. Tufunye obuzibu waliwo abantu abali batusinganye mu nnyumba n'emwe ku y'omutuuze waffe atali munaali bweru naye ng'abaana bye yalekamu babadde baawambiramu mu South Afrika. Balabika balina ddiiru ze baakuba ne balemererwa engabana n'ekola ki ne balemerera. Babadde bamutulugunya nga bakwata ebifaananyi babiweereza famire ye eri South Africa. Bamuweereza ssente zetwagala bamuteeka ku miggwa ne bakuba ne basiba. Tunulalaajana ne basobola obbasindikira ssente bali ne bakola ki. Naye abakama baffe we baategedde oli bwe yakkomezaawo ebifaananyi ku baaby'okwerinda byaffe baatutuuseeko ekiro ssaawa nga 5 ez'ekiro ne tutandikirawo omuyiggo paka lwe tufunye abantu abo mu kitundu wano. Abaana tusanze badduse babadde bafulumye naye nga ogwo baakutte tumufunye. Abatuuze baffe bannaye tugezaako okubagamba okutwanjulira ku bantu abajja mu bitundu nga tebabategeera tulinawo omuntu naye mumumanyi kuba naye abantu obutayogera abantu be mulabe mu bitundu nga temubategeera ne mukera bukeezi ng'omuntu waali awo naye nga temumwogedde n'abakulembera tebamanyi. abantu baffe bangi bafuna ebizibu mu mbeera efaanagana wakati weesiŋŋaana muno tusanzeemu emiguwa mingi egirabika nti gibadde gikozesebwa mu kusiba abantu. Tuyinza kugamba nti gino ne baagiguze ku siba oyo wabula kitegeezebwa nti babadde babikozesa byebintu mwe bajja ssente. N'olwekyo nsaba abantu okwegendereza banneighbours bammwe balabo n'abantu abatategeerekeka wakati bano abaana bakadde baabwe tutegeddeko nti yabaleka mu nju n'agenda ebweru nti abaana bo bakola emirimu egy'enjawulo jakwesiŋŋaana nga n'abaana baffe abamu abawala babadde babateeka mu mayumba omubwe bowulyanga ne bagaba baamuwanga tebamunoonya tebamanyi gyali.
Amanya Miss Nsugga, Secretary for Defense and wakakiiko wano mu kitundu. Ensonga etuleese wano abavubuka beefudde ekirala obutaagala kukola nga bafuna abantu okuva e Nigeria oba South Africa ne babaleeta mu bitundu ne babateeka mu mayumba ne bakoleramu diiru we ziremerera oba ne bamala okufuna diiru eyo we bamala okugabana nga bazisindika ewaabwe nga bano nga batandika okubakuba embeera eyabaddewo ekiro kya leero kuba batukubidde ekiro era twasuze tunoonya kulaba wawe batugambe watuufu era ne tutuukawo naye netiwaaka netuulako eza satellite naye nga ssaawa yonna ekituyambye nti omukube yakwatiddwa era tumuyina waali mu kitundu tuli naye bamuggyako statement. Banneighbour kye tubakubiriza kiri ekintu kimu okwanjula Abanigeria, Abakongo n'aba South Africa abali mu kitundu kino lw'embeera gye tulimu yakazigizigi. Abanigeria n'Abakongo n'aba South Africa bayitiridde kyetaaga ne tubeera embeera wamu kukwatagana we muba nga mulina gwe mwekengedde okutegeeza kuba obuyinza nga bukyali tulabe ki ekyokukola nga bukyali. Neeyanziza nnyo neeyanze.
Amanya gange nze Gadde Bashir Bagwanji. Naye embeera eno gye nsanzeewo wano gye mbadde sikimanyi nange nti banneighbour bange bantu beeyisa muneeyisa gye simanyi nze ndaabulabi nange banneighbour bange naye nga mu kitundu ate sibamanyiiko ziro ino naye era neekanze nnyo ngezi okulaba nti ate bazzi ba misango. Kale abantu ng'abo tukubiriza ba defense ab'ekyalo bateekemu ki bateekemu amaanyi ku bukuumi.
Yabadde ku ntandaalo.
Yadde ku ntandaalo.
Baamusibye batya amagulu mu bbanga emikono mabega
They wanted money. Money, a lot of money. 100,000 rands, South African rands.
But if you if you have that a lot of money. Kati bakulira kyaddewo ekiti bakubye ssente.
Him and the younger brother by the name of Elijah is the sister son actually, the firstborn of this house. Elijah. Anything? This side is so painful.
So they stole your passport?
They took my passport, my documents, all my qualifications are there. My certificates, my diploma, my degrees, they are there. Everything.
Yes, my boss. Are you facing?
Yes. Here they locked the gate. Yeah, they left. Like all the time when we are in the house, they will lock the gate. But since I came here, the gate, the small gate used to not be locked. But they started locking all the gate.
So they don't allow you to get
Yeah. Even now when we sleep in the house used to, they just hook. But now they lock everything. Yeah, they're saying I will run away. They lock everything. Even today in the morning you were saying, you know what, the owner of this house now is saying, if you do not give me the man that I want, she will call the top people. She knows the top people. Yeah? She will call them to come here and take you to a safer house. And you're sleeping and I heard people talking, just knocking on the gate. And I went to this window and I looked, I said, Elijah is not here. Elijah is the son of this house. Elijah is not here and the gate is locked. But all of a sudden I heard footsteps and I went out. And I saw people jumping the wall. I said, he brought the people that he said. That is why he left him. In my mind, he brought the people that he said he's going to.
And you went inside?
Yeah, and I went inside. Yeah, and I came back. The other guy said, no, don't worry, we are here to help you. Just work with us. And that is why I decided to sit down. They've been asking for, they wanted the man, they wanted it, they want it.
How much?
100,000 rands. I don't know how much is it with shillings. 100,000 rand.
When you use South African money?
Yeah, South African man. He wanted it. He knows it. He has been there for over 2 years.
In South Africa?
In South Africa. He was working for me, this man. This Peter guy.
What was he doing in South Africa?
He was driving Uber, one of my car, Uber.
You were driving your car?
Yeah.
Now you came to Uganda to do what?
To just visit and know where he comes from and know his family members. Because in my plan was to help me, to help him to get a visa again here, to go back to South Africa to work. You see, that was my plan to help him, but everything failed because of whatever. That is why I decided to transfer my money, 120,000 rand, because I saw that this thing is all about money. I transferred it back to my investment account where I'm not even able to access it. If I want that money, I have to go inside the bank, which is FNB, and I ask for that money. There is no FNB in Uganda. He was saying, hey, you have a third party. You must get a third party, get someone who can go there and withdraw that money and send it. All of a sudden, he started telling my brother to send money to the guy of traveling agency, the one who booked flights for us, to send the money to him. That guy will send it to him.
Who booked for you the traveling?
Yeah, it's the guy. They call it HKT traveling agency. Yeah, he's in South Africa, but he's Ugandan. The guy.
Okitegedde ono olw'amaze ozikwata enezi olwatudde ku akawunti ye ogundi ye n'asinjawo South Africa. Okitegedde kati mukozesa enzike South Africa zirimu obukadde nga 7 bali ne bagamba nti okutubba katukole ki katukubonereze naffe twagala ssente. Erinnya Mugerwa Hussein nange kyenkubye ekikwe kuba buli lukya kuyisa ekyange tugamba naye buli muntu ayanjule omupangisaawe abantu mweyanjule n'ekitukwasiza ennaku okubeera nti ba neighbors bafuna amakanga ago ne bawambiramu abantu ne babeera nga bakutokyalinga ne bakubakubiramu emiggo naye nga kino eno emirimu gyanjawulo gye bakolera mu bikomera bino kuba tugenza okulaba ng'omwami ono gwe baakubye wabaddewo embeera oba abadde yangabana okukakkana nga balemeddwa okubeera nga bagabana akantu ako tebaagabanye emiggo gyabadde nti nalina okuzzaako kokka balance naffe tuweeko n'ekyo kyonna nina kijja nti nno mwe abaliwo tetubamanyi nammwe be tumanyi ate mulina be musembeza abaki abalala mu bitundu byaffe. So mu mbeera eyo tusaba ng'abatuuze mu bitundu ebyabo nnaasa otuwulirizaako bw'obeera nga omanyi nti nno ozze mu kitundu kyowakayingiramu genda weyanjula eri obukulembeze bwo bakumanye. Kati omwami ono senga bamukubye ne bamuttira mu kitundu kibadde kijja kukosafa abakulembeze baakyo. Erinnya Mugerwa mulina omulimu gw'omutwe ate okola gwa defense nga tosobola kulinnya.
Tubuuze
buwalampye kikola enkomera amadaala gano golaba getukozesezza okulinnya wano okusobola kuba goti yonna badde bagirookinze tugenze tumenya bumenya okusobola okugjayo omuntu oyo munda badde balese bamulookingidde mu nju era ekkufulu tumenya emmenya zonna okuziggyako nga byebira bikulira ku lusegere wano obwadde kugulu basindika ebifaananyi ku masimu g'obali abajeeri nga buli lwe bamukuba bamutaddeko omuguumula guba kutadde no mulago bagusibidde emikono naye nga bebabikuba bebabiweereza bali abajeeri
Poliisi y'e Katwe eri mu kunoonyereza ku kigambibwa okuba nti waliwo munnansi wa South Africa yabadde awambiddwa naye ab'ebyokwerinda ne basobola okulondoola ne basobola okuba nti no bamufuna essaawa zino ali poliisi yaffe y'e Katwe ng'akola statement ku biki ebyabaddewo so tujja kusinziira ku ebyo okuba nti notunoonya abo bonna ababadde bamutadde mu mbeera ey'okuwambibwa era tujja kuba tubategeeza ebisingako nga tumaze okufuna statement ye.
That bring our money. You are getting
Get out somewhere is when we came
unless someone has
just started shouting telling me things that I don't know. Even saying I should agree to whatever you rule there, that I did those things and I should reinvest in. I started asking myself, what should I reinvest in? I came here with him. I've been supporting him. I've been buying food in his house, electricity. I even filled the gas tank for yesterday. I even filled the gas day before yesterday, like everything. I went to South Africa again and came back. I even bought the last born year school shoes. I bought them some t-shirts because I thought they are very yeah. And I came back where everything was fine until I started seeing that actually here is like everything is all right. The case was reported in Kabalagala. I took 120,000 from my account. I transferred it to my investment account. And that account, I'm not even able to open it when I'm here. I need to go inside the bank and the bank is not here.
You come here from where?
From South Africa. Yeah, directly. We landed at Entebbe and somebody came to fetch us.
And who?
Me and Peter. Peter used to be in South Africa. Yeah, he even overstayed in South Africa. I came with him to this country because I wanted to know where he's from, his family, because I thought he's a brother. You know, yeah.
You have any family friend here?
I don't have.
You don't know
He's my friend.
Anybody here?
Yeah, he's my worker. He's my friend. I know he's the owner of this house through the phone. I know the sister of the owner of this house through the phone. I know the husband of this house because he doesn't stay here, but he comes here every day after he comes here to check at the young boy. He's a last born that goes to school. He always comes here on weekends. He comes and wash for that boy and iron for him and go back to his house. Apparently, him and the mother here they separated, but he comes and takes care of the last born all the time.